here is PublicSq app. It keeps growing quite high in the charts. So let's just give a quick walkthrough to you and understand what this app is about. So imagine that this app is kind of like Amazon, so it's a marketplace for businesses, but it only includes specific businesses. So it only has businesses who share the values of share conservative values, or more like on the right side of political spectrum. How to say it? So yeah, only if their owners share these values, then you kind of can just list this business here. And then you as consumer, if you just buy some products, then you kind of support these values and support these businesses across US. And then so there are some specific values. It's not just the right side, the right wing. You can see here: pro-life, pro-family, pro-freedom. We are united in our commitment to freedom and truth. It's what makes us Americans. We will always protect the family unit, celebrate like we believe the small businesses and communities. So you can just read all of the values here, and basically the idea of this app, if people supporting these values, then they can list their business, and if you support these values, you can buy products from these businesses, and then you can just easily create your account with your email. And then you can just browse around, search for a business, and then, for example, if you just want to buy a tea like something, then you can just go to this listing, you can favorite it, then you can visit website, you can get some discounts, you can see some gallery, and so that's basically the idea here. You can see how many people favored it. Then you can just search for something. You can search for some popular categories. And as you see, it's not like you have all kinds of businesses. It's not like Amazon or something like that. You just have specific businesses which support these values. Here they're just basically sorted in alphabetical order, and then you have some promoted ads in the top. So I guess that's how this app is just being monetized. It's pretty smart. And then you have some collections, you have some discounts, and then you can just browse around through these cards. So that's basically the idea of it. So something like that. Then another tab, you can just go near me tab. Of course, this app is only available in US. So if you're traveling somewhere, it's not gonna be available in Europe or something like that. Then you can, and these are the businesses around you. So if you want to go for a coffee, you can just go for a coffee shop via this app, and you can just know who supports these values or something like that. Then you can just go to local restaurant, or if you're traveling in US, you can just do that. Then there are different categories. And then there is online tab. This is just basically all businesses where you can shop online. There are some popular categories like clothing, beauty, pet products, guns and armor, jewelry, coffee and tea. And then you can just find all other categories here, and then you can just browse through them just like that. So that's basically the idea. I don't know. Also in this app, you can find a lot of businesses owned by veterans, for example, and things like that. Then, for example, you can find some gyms, fitness studios. It's pretty cool. Personal trainers, fitness products in this area. So that's the idea. And then you just have your account. You have your account settings. You can delete your account if you don't like it. Then if you want to add your business, here what the steps are. So steps to add your business: you need to review the values and agree to respect the values of PublicSq, enter your contact information, stay in touch throughout the submission process, select your business time, build your listing, enrich your profile with images, and then there are some advertising opportunities. So yeah, you can add your business only if you kind of respect to these values, and then you need to agree that you will manufacture or source as many of my products as possible in US, and then you can just enter your contact details and proceed from here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you just have your favorites, which you can find here. Then there is some ad where you can just find a job, some website. Then you can just go also to their support if you want to. Yeah, even if you want to create a business and you want to log into your business account, it says as of now there isn't a way to log into your business profile, so you will need to create a user account, assign it to your pre-existing one to access the app and view your business. So yeah, that's how it works. And then yeah, you can just reach out to their support here. So yeah. That's like quite simple app, but it's the very interesting idea. You know, there are apps in social media like Rumble, some other apps which are want to stay more on the right wing, like and now there are more apps like this also in like e-commerce and among marketplaces that also want to distinguish. These are kind of like more liberal shopping apps, and these are more like right-wing shopping apps. So I think this like is getting more heated towards the probably election in US. So probably there will be more apps like that. But let's see. This is just like an overview if you want to try out this app. I don't know if it's available on Android as well, but definitely is going quite high in the charts right now. It was here in the App Store for a while. You can see some good reviews here, and then some people write they can't find anything. Of course, this app was here for a while. There weren't that many businesses in the beginning, but now their listings are growing as there are more and more businesses. So now it's kind of and there are less bugs. So you can always reach out to their support at PublicSq.com. So it's becoming just easier. So yeah, it's becoming a better app. So give it a try if you're leaning into these values, or if you just want to explore the idea.